With the foundation of blockchain and gathering on the advantages of decentralized finance, DeFi, Elrond set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet with the certifiable state sharding plan for pragmatic versatility, taking out energy and computational waste while guaranteeing disseminated reasonableness through a solid evidence of stake agreement component. This one-of-a-kind element means that information connected with exchanges will generally get assembled independently and not among the especially other data on a similar block, subsequently working with the remarkable speed of exchanges. Allow us to investigate the ongoing subtleties of Elrond and comprehend the Elrond cost expectation for what's in store. Elrond entered crypto space in the year 2020, having serious areas of strength for and on security. Elrond Network really has worked to guarantee protection from known security issues like the Sybil assault in a significant manner. Without a doubt, Elrond in a real sense has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most alluring digital currencies, principally for its essentially local token, EGLD, that guarantees certainly high versatility security combined with speed scaling a pinnacle of $200 without a doubt on a more profound specialized examination at the cost. Elrond empowers authorization-less, line-less, worldwide exchanges and fundamentally embraces the web economy improvement. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of EGLD tokens as impetuses in executing savvy contract expenses and move reserves. The most important variables that move the cost of Elrond are the speed and moderateness that empower speedier enhancements execution, bringing about quicker and in a real sense secure exchanges. EGLD, the ups and downs, the diamonds and crowns. As of now, the Elrond cost today is exchanging around $191.29, with a slight transitory rectification throughout the course of recent hours. The market capitalization truly has expanded to $4,150,898,333.52 with a flowing stock of 21,694,175 EGLD. A great deal can be said about the verifiable excursion. A sharp ascent went into the rectification stage, and in the span of a month, the exchanging volume remained at $261,802,037.55. Almost comparable patterns in Ben's win until 2017. In December, the EGLD cost shot up, trailed by a cost remedy in 2018 summers. The drowsy stage went on for the digital money, and the option of EGLD added a leap forward. The start of 2019 by and large was a gift for this kind of platform as the EGLD token was recorded on the well-known trade. Aside from that, there were numerous gifts reported by the designers through review promotions for cash, raising the toast to a memorable $177. The coin got momentum. The retreating period of pandemic brought overflow aplenty for the coin, giving it a steady bullish push, despite the fact that put in an exceptionally unstable universe of digital currencies. Great variables like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly critical part in impacting speculations. The essential target of the Elrond Group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and, simultaneously, security. Tracking down balance in both could be an extreme test. In view of a consistent calculation, Elrond has both transient conventions and expected long-haul benefits. In view of the Elrond EGLD cost expectation and our own exploration, the EGLD coin might reach $184.42 continuously Zen. EGLD's cost is supposed to arrive at a characteristic of $252.58 toward the finish of 2022, and cost by and large is supposed to reach $612.27 following 5 years. In view of the Elrond figure, there is a major variety between the base and greatest cost, which makes it challenging to choose whether to purchase Elrond or not. In this manner, it is ideal to accept the base expectation as a rule, affirming it as help of $210.21, best case scenario. Elrond could especially become triple from the ongoing cost level in 6 years, basically say by 2026. It ought to have an unmistakable meeting around $250.40 to $310.60, and it will enroll another unequaled certainly high in the long haul. One's kind of current speculation could be worth in the year 2026, despite the fact that there are changes and advancements occurring in Elrond blockchain innovation. This resource stayed languid to move an inch. To put it openly, numerous financial backers didn't have the foggiest idea about the resource even existed, which is very huge, albeit the principal reason is at this point unclear. There is news that might be because of engineers proclaiming their innovative headway, and a special occasion caused the trigger, guaranteeing brought together blockchain, online protection and expression, and all the more critically a reality. According to the verifiable information and specialized examination, since November 2021, the cost was showing revision, in spite of the fact that there was a slight recuperation saw in the primary 7-day stretch of April 2022, which is genuinely critical. However, after that the cost again really fell. In the event that the cost goes up, Elrond cost will show a positive pattern soon in a fundamentally significant manner. Elrond value expectations 2022 to 2026. Elrond value expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital currency market, Elrond is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead basically is loaded with pedals gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a huge push to the cost of Elrond, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling $217.82. As per the EGLD cost expectation 2022, the normal cost explicitly is supposed to reach $205.93 and lease cost to $192.35. Elrond value forecast 2023, which is very huge. As per our Elrond cost forecast specialists, these elements can help this exceptionally token increase a lot greater cost of $248.49 and lease cost of $207.38. The typical cost of Elrond may be $230.69. If the drive for practical crypto market go on into 2023, the EGLD cost might try and see a worldview rush. These costs show in every practical sense more development than that of Elrond cost forecast 2022. Elrond value expectation 2024. There may be slight rectification saw in the year 2024 when contrasted with 2023. There are suppositions by our Elrond EGLD cost expectation specialists its base worth could generally reach $192.64. Greatest cost might reach $285.44 and normal cost of Elrond to $224.81. The blessing is finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The really interesting special endeavors might wrap up making the financial backers reap the increases and make it a beneficial speculation. This may be an ideal opportunity to trade Elrond. Elrond value forecast 2025. Elrond is likewise dynamic in local area drives, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Taking into account they most certainly keep up the energy, gathering a huge market cap. Their drives zeroing in on schooling, effort, and developments might take them to a greatest worth of $326.74. To realize other coin figures, then actually take a look at our post on cost expectation for digital money. Elrond value forecast 2026. If the crypto market turn positive, the EGLD cost is set to break all obstructions and perform richly, scaling the top as genuinely aforementioned. However, there may be slight rectification in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. As per our Elrond EGLD cost expectation, supported by powerful shrewd agreements, the Elrond cost may effectively contact $308.52 before the year's over 2026 in the long haul. Today is a lot higher than the Elrond cost and will result as a drawn-out increment. Is Elrond rising quickly or will Elrond crash? Inferable from the exchange speed, EGLD is a unique fascination for purchasers around the world.